Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In this video I'm going to be directing you on how to set up Airtel Uganda internet settings, or some people may call them the access point name settings or the APN settings. So before I continue, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, don't forget to share this video to your friend, and if you get any problem, go to the comment section. The comment section is open for you guys. So let me start up today's tutorial by opening my settings, my phone settings, and then once I open my phone settings, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be setting these APN settings so that all of you guys, even if you have never set these APN settings, you're going to learn, because this is a step-by-step guide and it is a beginner friendly. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like and enable the notification bell for more videos like this. So I'm going to come where I have dual and mobile network, or it depends on which device are you using, but some of you guys can come where you search from and then search for the access point names, or you can search the mobile networks. So I'm going to choose dual and mobile network, and then I'm going to choose my SIM2, which is Airtel Uganda, and then after I'm going to choose the access point names, and then setting these access point names is the simplest, and as I told you, I'm going to be setting these APN settings in a beginner friendly manner. So some people may come and check that plus button right there, and others, you may come on your devices, you may be seeing such you may be seeing such a kind of a look, like a plus like button right there. You are free to choose that one, and then after checking that plus button, I'm going to go where I have name. In the name, put Mouse Tech, and then Premium, and then the APN settings right here. You're going to put enable caps lock, then put IM is, then after the proxy, you're going to come where you have the put 80, and then leave the username, leave the proxy, leave the password, the server. You're going to put in www.google.com, then save. Then for the, I think by doing that, I won't set so many complicated things. By doing that, would have set up these APN settings for Airtel. That will be giving you a faster and a stable internet access on your Android device. So after you go where you have save, or on some devices the save may be, you may be seeing the save right there down, and then save. And then after saving, make sure that you're going to put on airplane mode on and then off, and then check that one, this one. Let me show you. Make sure that that one is lighting either blue or green. It depends on the devices. I don't think that there is a device that may light red, but make sure that thing, it is either blue or green. Then put on airplane mode and then off. Then you'll be able to enjoy a fast 5G stable internet access. Don't forget to subscribe, and I sign out.